Cement tiles serve as an ideal decorative material for restaurant spaces, offering a harmonious blend of traditional aesthetics and contemporary design elements. Cement tiles, characterized by their diverse patterns, vibrant colors, and handcrafted materials, not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a space but also foster a warm and inviting atmosphere for diners. Cement tiles serve as an exceptional choice for flooring, wall cladding, walkway embellishment, or bar areas, effectively enhancing the visual appeal and distinctive style of a restaurant. One of the esteemed brands favored by numerous architects and investors is Viettiles, a company renowned for its production of high-quality handmade cement tiles in Vietnam. Viettiles products are not only aesthetically pleasing but also exceptionally durable and easy to maintain, making them ideal for restaurant environments that prioritize cleanliness and convenience. When integrating cement tiles with natural light and incorporating wooden or metal furniture, the restaurant space transforms into a luxurious, distinctive, and inspiring environment. Here, diners can savor not only exquisite cuisine but also a refined visual experience.